Hi guys, Dewy.McDonald here at Guaranty RV. Nice rainy day out, but we're doing a video. This is an Arctic Fox 1150 camper. So let's go inside, take a peek at the inside before we do the outside. This whole wall slides. So you've got your bench seats here with storage under there, storage under that bench. This folds down, makes into a bed. All LEDs. You got your full-size Northwood refrigerator freezer with a closet there for hanging your coats. Storage here. Notice this is real wood right here. These are the ones that from the factory. Actually, this is the camper that they advertised. 36 people standing on the roof. I mean, these are hand built out of LeGrand, Oregon. One of our top of the line campers. Storage here for spice rack. You got your big single sink there with a nice cutting board cover. Here's your control panel here. This is a solar panel. Charge your batteries up on the top of the roof. Air, controls all your air conditioning. Everything's right here. Your stereo system. You got cabinets for storage there. Storage above there on both sides over there. You got access to plumbing under here. Drawers, like I said, solid wood. These are hand built, so nice unit. You got stainless steel appliances, 3-burner with an oven, fan hood, microwave. You got LEDs above us. You got the skylight here with a cover that you can pull across. Roof air, speakers in the ceiling. Over here, you've got a spot for some, store some cans and whatnot in there. Storage down below there too. Then your shower, bathroom with a sliding door there. You got your nice porcelain toilet. You got a big shower there with a lot of cabinets. So fantastic fan above us. Then in the front we have a nice queen size bed. You got storage on both sides. You've got ports for your USB ports up there, plug-ins up there, reading lights up there, cross ventilation. You got windows on both sides. You got a fantastic fan. This little step right here, so it makes it easier to get in and out up there. There's actually a little shelf that goes across here too if you want some more cooking. It's inside this right in here. So if you want some cooking, gives you a little more shelf space here for the countertop. Covers for the skylight or the fan up there. So cross ventilation, like I said. So these are very nice campers. I mean, like I said, one of our top of the line. So you got a nice big grab handle going in. You got the Fox landing that lifts up. If you're going to be towing a boat, it's heavy duty. Then your generators in the compartment in the side that folds up. So if you have access to there, you got a roof ladder going across. You got LEDs, lights above us, speakers above us. This is an electric awning coming out. Plug in here for, plug in a barbecue or whatever. So you got your hydraulic or electric jacks. Access to plumbing here. You got the great big propane tanks. Got the double big propane tanks compared to other campers. More storage there. Plumbing access here. Here's your plug in right there for your power cord, satellite. Your batteries go in there. Here's a shower outdoor to wash off your boots, your furnace. So this is made for a heavy duty truck. It actually has the swing away brackets. So if you had a dually, you're going to haul this with. But look at the bolts in there. Like I said, this is the one they advertised 36 people standing on the roof. So just a well built camper. So if you're looking for a big camper, 1150, you got a 3/4 ton or 1 ton truck that's heavy duty, this is the kind of camper you want. So come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.